Step into the immersive world of iMVR, where training meets innovation. Experience a lifelike air brake inspection, starting with the brake chamber and tape measure. See the springs and shoes in motion, mirroring real-world functionality. Watch as air tanks are drained, with pressure dropping and air mist exhausting, just like in reality. Disconnect and connect trailer connections easily. The blue gladhand connects and disconnects with ease. Observe the air gauge as pressure builds and drops, giving you real-time feedback. Utilize the brake applicator tool to hold the brake pedal, simulating real-world procedures. Compare the low air warning light to its real-world counterpart, ensuring you recognize this critical safety feature. Engage in a guided practical air brake practice, offering step-by-step instructions for new drivers to master air brake testing in a safe, controlled environment. Perfect for classroom training or practicing at home, iMVR's air brake inspection module revolutionizes learning. Visit us at imvr.ca to learn more.